Now the critical part of this is making sure that making sure the drone chutes open, and then the main parachute.
For the astronauts inside that capsule, can they don't.
There it is.
Sense of how fast they're moving. I mean, are they seeing land so that they can have a sense? Because I've heard from other astronauts who have had a different kind of trajectory. They can see the land, so they get a sense of how fast they may be going. But this, they can't.
Look, Ace, look.
The drone chutes.
They're landing. They came from the moon.
Looking out the window, looking out. So
The parachute opened.
Yes. There it is.
Hey, where?
Here, let me take a picture of you guys.
Hold
Next up, the deployment of pilot parachutes that will pull the main chutes out.
3, 2,
Splashdown 3
1.
minutes and 10 seconds.
9,
essentially
8,
designed to sort of stabilize
7,
the spacecraft as
6,
it's making its initial
5,
descent here in the atmosphere. The
4,
atmosphere, a lot of the deceleration.
3,
2, 1, 2.
2.
We keep the same on board.
4 miles. Thought he said 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 10,
Passing from
9,
10,000 feet.
8.
Stacy,
Huh.
wait.
They're probably going 300 miles an hour or something like that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 10,
There
9,
goes
Four.
the guard. That's good. That's those are the main chutes.
Oh.
That's the main ones.
6,
The main chutes,
AC,
when fully deployed,
5,000 feet.
we don't need to count right now.
roughly the size of a football field. 3 different parachutes here.
That parachute is the size of a football field.
Beacon has been activated on
That's
integrity.
crazy.
Feet in surface area.
It doesn't look big from here, but it's
And we
gigantic.
have 3 good main chutes.
It's 100 yards.
Now they're in really good shape.
Good 3 main chutes. Good briefing.
how much we were there? Mom, how much we were there?
I know.
I gotta record a whole thing,
Just like
okay?
the previous 10 days for the mission.
Integrity. Cabin pressure indicates no need for hydrogen checks.
Integrity copies.
The next big test here is when
This is a perfect descent for integrity. Its crew sounding hail and hearty on board.
integrity
Time to
touches down,
splash down 1 minute, 15 seconds.
will it be right side up or upside down? And that is the big question here. And bags will deploy, 5 of them,
1 minute and 15 seconds.
around the circumference of the
Did I
spacecraft.
say 50 or
in order to
15?
light it
15.
if
Okay.
it lands upside down. If it lands
Integrity
right side
about
up,
to complete a
all
journey
okay.
spanning 694,481 miles from its launch from the Kennedy Space Center back on April 1st, and a trip around the moon.
Here we go.
The Orion capsule is doing it.
No, the first Artemis mission, it was the Orion capsule, but with no crew members on board. We're about a minute out to splashdown, and so far the timing has been really good. The estimate was that this would happen at 7:07:07 Central Time in Houston.
Passing through 1,000 feet.
There.
And the naval vessel, I mean, they are right there. They are not far from the splashdown.
All very close to the ship.
Oh, baby. Here we
it
go.
comes. Look at this, Ace. There's people inside, the astronauts.
3, 2, 1.
1. Splash!
Should be about 60 miles or so, I think, from San Diego.
Thank you,
And
Jesus.
this is the view from the USS John Martha.
Integrity Splashdown, sending post-landing command now.
Mom, I've been wanting to
Confirmed.
go to
Now they have
heaven
teams who are already underwater who will go to them. They'll have divers who will check the outside.
There are 4 Navy helicopters standing by
And
on the
tanks.
USS John Martha.
Yeah.
2 are camera ships,
I miss
2 are
tanks.
part of the recovery operation here.
Mom, I miss
The
tanks.
exploration of our celestial neighbor is complete. Integrity's astronauts